We did it, guys. We found another one from Burlington. So, another rack store find. Let's get into it. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and we are back with another rack store pickup. If this is your first time finding this channel, my name is Gerard, and in videos like I'm doing today, I go to different rack stores, Marshalls, TJ Maxx, Burlington, to try to find amazing fragrances at a discount. That's exactly what I did today. Let's jump right into the footage from the store. I'll show you guys what they had that day that I went, what was on the shelves, and ultimately what I ended up grabbing. So let's get into it. So as you guys can see from the footage, my Burlington was packed, and they actually had a lot of stuff here. This one that I picked up, I almost got screwed on, because initially when I first picked it up, there was a red sticker on there showing it for $27.99. But then I started looking around and saw another box without the red sticker, and I just picked it up out of curiosity to see what it normally sells for, and it was less money than the red sticker. So quickly put that one back and grabbed the cheaper box. But the scent we are talking about today is Karl Lagerfeld's New York Mercer Street. Now, I'm excited to try this one. This is a 60 ml, so 2 fluid ounces. I paid $19.99 for it. That other sticker said $27.99. And you guys have mentioned and said it's pretty solid fragrance. There's a couple others too from this line that have been popping up at rack stores. As I always do, I'm going to try it on skin, not wearing anything. So maybe I'll skip the strip, just put it straight to skin, see what I get from it, and look at the notes, let you guys know what's in here, and then ultimately let you know if this one is worth your time and money. So let's get into it. Okay, so like I said, 60 ml bottle. Pretty elegant, classy looking bottle. Nothing too crazy here. Looks exactly like the box. So you get this little sticker. It's nice and straight. Karl Lagerfeld, New York, Mercer Street. And I don't know if the cap is plastic. It's plastic, but it's heavy. So not bad. Let's take a look at the atomizer. Pretty nice atomizer as well. Let's get this on skin. Okay. Wow. In the air, it's very fresh smelling. A little bit aquatic. There's a mintiness here that I'm picking up slightly. Okay. There's some citrus fruitiness. A little bit of woods, very aquatic. Very fresh smelling. So this would be ideal for a summer day in New York City, walking the streets, grabbing a slice. I can imagine that being on the agenda, maybe walking through Central Park. So it's kind of reminding me of like a summer day in New York. Really fresh, authentic smelling. There's another fruitiness here that's very unique. It's reminding me of something else, but there's a little bit of saltiness here as well, which is sort of leaning into that aquatic nature it has. Clean, fresh, energizing, smells great. I mean, it's nothing really super unique. Doesn't necessarily remind me of a specific fragrance off the top of my head, but maybe slightly like something like an Acqua di Gio Profondo or something in that family. Longevity, again, being a fresher fragrance, you're probably not going to get a ton here, but as I always do, I'm going to wear this fragrance this week and give you guys the full lowdown on performance. Talk about it more in my weekly wears video. Yeah, this is really nice. I mean, it's nothing super exciting or like a run out must buy, but quality's nice. $20, you can do a lot worse. Let's take a look at the notes. So the notes for Karl Lagerfeld's New York, Mercer Street. Top notes are lime, basil, and white pepper. Mid notes are rhubarb, water jasmine, and geranium. And the base notes are white woods, vetiver, and musk. So that rhubarb is definitely that sort of unique fruitiness I was picking up. There's a little bit of earthiness here, and I'm picking that up most likely from that rhubarb, the lime, the pepper, the aquatics here. They go really nice together. It smells like maybe also a little bit of Nautica Voyage in here as well. So almost like if you combine Nautica Voyage and something like an Acqua di Gio Profondo. So overall, I really like the scent. I definitely want to take a look at performance. $20 fragrance. I'm not expecting much. A fresh $20 fragrance for that matter. I'm not expecting, beast mode performance. It's not really jumping off of my skin at the moment. I would even say that it's fading pretty quickly. So yeah, this is one that I probably wouldn't be too afraid to spray heavy. I'm also curious to see what my wife thinks of this one. So she tends to lean to these fragrances, the sort of fresher, more citrus, airy type fragrances, aquatic. She likes those. So yeah, I would love to know what you guys think. Have you tried Karl Lagerfeld's New York, Mercer Street? Would love to know if you like it. If you don't like it, drop it in the comment section down below. If you like what you saw today, please be sure to like, comment, subscribe, share this video, hit that bell notification so you are updated whenever I upload new content. But until then, have a fantastic day, and I'll see you in the next video.